400 people died in the floods in KwaZulu-Natal. Now we are at 79, 78 in the OR Tambo district in the Eastern Cape. Blueberry or Blackberry is a clothing label. They destroyed over 33 million euros worth of clothing, suits, coats, largely winter clothing. And their excuse is they didn't have space. Instead of shipping those clothes from the UK to South Africa to develop a market, they burned them. They burned 33 pounds of millions of clothes. What poor people, eh? Nobody cares. Nobody's coming to save us. We don't need kids who are afraid of God anymore. We need critical thinkers. People who will challenge the status quo. There's 2 drones, firefighting drones I want to talk about. The first one, in fact, is the same drone. It can attach itself to the air ventilation in a building. No building doesn't have any air ventilation after 1950. And suck out all the smoke before the firemen get there, so that there's a clean building and all it just needs is the fire to be stopped. It can go for up to like maybe quarter of a kilometer by itself, depending on the pipe, and spray water. It can spray water over 30 feet in front of it. Imagine what 2 of those robots can do to a mountain fire. Africa is still waiting for the generation to implement the free trade agreement, whereby every single country starts with Africa first. Let's not even talk about the Africa's equivalent of the euro. They don't want us to get there. It's not a mistake that poverty stays south of the global line. 1%, in fact 0.01 of plastic gets processed, meaning recycled for new plastic. 99.99 unpicked up, unprocessed. Right now, China and America have a cold war over trade going. Now they're like, okay, let's talk in the back room over things we need. China needs those semiconductor chips. America needs magnets from China. China owns 95% of the magnet market. China owns 80% of that market. The whole world buys from China and America. That's why America was able to say to the whole world 10% extra trade. America was making 480 million between the trade between itself and Brazil, and it's at 10% everybody. Cambodia, 70. Call yourself an American ally. What can we do, eh? Why nobody's? I was actually nominated at the Founders Awards. I made it to the second round. You know, I was surprised I made it to the second round. And I have 2 organizations that I've wrote. One is for sports and one is for local business development. And I am saying to you that as a person that sent in the small business proposal, that sports is the way. Chelsea signed a 943 million t-shirt deal just for a new design and maybe even a new brand. Bruno Chavez gets paid 5 million pounds to be a goalkeeper. He's one of the top 5 paid sportsmen, plays for Milan. So if ever we do not take sports serious, I've made this example before, that if there was 200,000 schools in South Africa and you give 2 schools to one coach, you would have created 100,000 jobs just for soccer, 100,000 jobs just for basketball, 100,000 jobs just for hockey. If we could also build facilities, because of there is such a thing as the sports market. When 70 people fill a stadium, 70,000 at 2,000 at 250, that's 500,000. What about multiplying that number by 20? Plus minus. When people do events, that's the money that they're looking at. Every single thing is a business. But now it doesn't matter, because of every single business is a tough barrier to enter. It's not only the drug business that becomes easier when the money starts coming in. It's every single business. You don't have to be a drug dealer. What about the heroin that has bought military equipment from Afghanistan all the way to America? The MDMA that gets made in China. Just because of you are not part of the conversation, you must sit out there and listen. Listen, we will. But we will also have an opinion. It's the last thing we do.